The day that you've been waiting for, when California reopens and when your kids can stop saying, "Can I take this mask off? Can I take this mask off?"
Yes. More likely than not, the answer is going to be yes from this point on. After more than a year of lockdowns and having to social distance and stay away from family and friends, a lot of the guidelines that had been in place now will begin to melt away, and that's good news.
Crown 4's Will Tran is live in Union City with what's happening there. Hi, Will.
Good morning, James and Daria. I am in front of several restaurants, and I want to do a quick trivia. What don't you see behind me? I won't take up a lot of time, but I'll give you a few seconds. What don't you see behind me, James and Daria?
Mask sign?
The mask sign.
Mask sign? Yeah.
Yes, you get an A, put stars next to your names because all you see are the menus, the business hours, the payment options, and the pictures that are making me so hungry about the food. But the signs are all gone, so last night I'm sure the employees left and said, "Take it down, we cannot wait." So they hopped into their DeLorean, James, you're a nerd, you know this, and they went back to the future, to pre-pandemic. Those signs are gone, and I've seen it everywhere. If you saw me at 5 o'clock, I was at another establishment, and those signs are gone as well because Governor Gavin Newsom, he did say today would be the day that they would go back to reopening California. You don't have to social distance anymore. The color system is gone, and that color system was important to customers and probably even more important to businesses because it told them how many people could go inside, where they could sit, how many people at a time. That color system goes away as well. And then the vaccination, well, they continue to go up and up. 70% of Californians have at least one shot of their vaccine. So that's good news. And we have one of the lowest COVID-19 rates in the country. So the numbers bear it out. And I got to tell you, James, Daria, and myself and everybody at home, if you worked last night at a restaurant or a store, they probably say, don't forget before you leave, take off those signs. If we can head back out live now, I'll swing the camera around and you can see a couple of other businesses here. This is a sandwich shop. No signs here as well. There's another restaurant right there. No signs, which is, pardon the pun, sign of the times. Back to you.
I like that cheesesteak melt sign. I'm looking at that one right now. Thank you very much, Will.